Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing history on this device. So firstly, you have to open your browser, which you normally use. Then tap here, go to the history, and then tap clear browsing data. Then you have to select the time period for which you want to delete your history. It could be 1 hour, 1 day, last week, last month, and all time. And then you have to select data formats which you want to clear. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, cache images and files, and then just tap clear data. And after that, history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.